Hey there, and welcome to part 1 of our live shopping 5-minute crash course.
If you ever wondered what all the buzz is about with live shopping and why brands everywhere are jumping on it, you're in the right place. I'm Katrine, and I'm a live shopping expert here at Sprii, and I used to plan and co-host live shopping shows for the fashion brand Cici.
And I'm Jens, also a live shopping expert here at Sprii, and I've helped hundreds of brands and retailers figure out the nuts and bolts of live shopping. And in just 5 minutes or less, you'll know what live shopping is, how it works, and why it could be the secret sauce that your business needs. So, let's dive in. Now, what is live shopping? Live shopping is a form of e-commerce where products are showcased and sold through live video streams. It's interactive, it's personal, and it feels way more like walking into a store and getting help from a real person, except you can do it from your couch. Now, just imagine your favorite online store, but instead of scrolling through endless product photos, you join a live stream on social media where a host shows you products in real time, tries them out, and answers your questions on the spot, and you can buy all of those products instantly, all without ever having to leave the stream.
You're probably thinking, that's fine and all, but does it actually work?
Now, the simple answer is yes. Not only can live shopping drive higher engagement, repeat purchases, and bigger basket sizes, but some brands, they even report up to 20 times higher conversion rates compared to traditional e-commerce.
Now, what's the actual difference between traditional e-commerce and live shopping? Simply put, traditional e-commerce is static. You upload your product pictures and descriptions onto your website and wait for the shoppers to click add to cart. It's fine, but it can feel a bit impersonal. And let's be honest, it's easy to lose a shopper's attention in such a vast market as all your competitors are doing the same thing. Live shopping, on the other hand, is dynamic. You can go live through your social channels, your website, or both, and actually show off the products in action. Traditional e-commerce is like reading a menu. Live shopping, that's like tasting the food while the chef explains how it's made. It turns shopping into an experience and not just a transaction.
So, you might be wondering, is live shopping really for me and my business? Well, chances are absolutely, because it's already making waves across so many industries. And with live shopping, you have fashion retailers holding runway-worthy live shows at scale. You've got beauty brands go live from an influencer's bathroom and walking them through their nightly beauty routine. And we've seen DIY stores use live shopping to educate and be creative with their customers. And last but not least, you've electronic stores hold crazy live shows with offers and discounts that you can't grab anywhere else. So, whether you're selling dresses, lipstick, sneakers, or sofas, maybe something entirely different, live shopping lets you connect with your audience in a way that static websites just can't.
So, to wrap it up, live shopping is the next evolution of e-commerce. It's fun, it's social, and authentic. Plus, it gives your customers the personal experience that leads to higher conversions. Now that you know what it is and how it works and who's already thriving with it, it's your turn to join the live revolution. In the next video, we'll show you how to plan your first live show. And we look forward to seeing you there. Ciao!
See ya!